Hi, I'm Shannon Savoy, industrial mechanic instructor with NBCC. I'd like to give you a brief overview of the industrial mechanic program. The industrial mechanic program is a 40-week program offered in two of our campuses, one being Miramichi and one being St. John. Both campuses also offer the apprenticeship program. What do industrial mechanics do? Well, industrial mechanics maintain, troubleshoot, install, align any types of moving equipment. So if there's a industry that has rotating shafts or reciprocating, something that extends, something that retracts, anything that moves, we maintain it. If you look around you and if there's something that you can put your hand on that was purchased at a store, it was probably made by some sort of a machine, and somewhere along the line, an industrial mechanic maintained that machine or maybe even invented that machine. Where do industrial mechanics work? Industrial mechanics work, like I say, wherever there's a product that's being produced. So it could be through electricity. Maybe you're working in a power generating station. It could be a sawmill. It could be a shipyard or on the ship. It could be a peat moss plant. It could be a fish plant. It could be a food processing plant. Anywhere that has machinery that moves. What do industrial mechanics study in their 40-week program? We cover everything, including level 2. The industrial mechanic is based off 4 levels because it is an apprenticeship and it's a Red Seal program. So at the end of 40 weeks, you write your level 1, but we have covered all material for level 2. So in those 2 levels, we study things like tools and fasteners. That's where you start with your basic hand tools, portable power tools, power metal saws, pedestal grinders. Then we move into machine shop fundamentals and blueprint, workplace safety practices, rigging and material handling, lathe operation, milling machine operations, bearings, lubricants, and seals, welding for industrial mechanics. We do stick and we do oxyacetylene. We cover a lot of drivetrains like gearboxes, transmissions, belt drives, chain drives, and we also cover a lot of alignment. So those are just to name a few of the areas that we cover in the 40-week program. How much do an industrial mechanic make? Well, anywhere, when you guys leave here, you're a level 1, but the day you get a job and indentured into the program, you're considered a level 2 industrial mechanic. So a level 2 industrial mechanic will range anywhere between, generally speaking, $20 to $30 an hour. Journeyman industrial mechanic, or Red Seal, we call it now, range anywhere from 30 up to, I've seen as high as $90 an hour. So it's a very competitive wage. It's up there with all the other high-paying trades, and there's a great demand for it. Admission requirements to get into this trade is you need a grade 12 education or a GED. To start off the year, you'll need your books, work boots, and coveralls. The rest is supplied. All the hand tools are supplied. All the tooling is supplied here at the school. The staff with the industrial mechanic program between Miramichi and St. John have, I don't know how many years of experience in the trade, and a lot of their backgrounds come from pulp mills, underground mines, shipyards, food processing plants, and peat moss plants, sawmills. So there's a wide variety of experience here to be shared with you, and we look forward to sharing it with you. If you have any questions, you can contact any one of the 7 campuses, or you can contact the NBCC website, and they will link me up with you if you have any questions, any more questions about the trade. I could probably talk 2 hours nonstop about the trade. There's so much to talk about and so much that we cover. But if you'd like to know more, feel free to get a hold of me. Thank you very much, and hope to see you in the fall.